Ever set your cruise control for a long drive down the highway, only for it to completely fail or act crazy? If your check engine light is on, you might be dealing with code P0564. This is a generic OBD-II trouble code that stands for Cruise Control Multifunction Input a Circuit. In plain English, this means the computer or engine control module has detected a problem with the electrical signal coming from your cruise control switch. This system was designed for comfort, letting you maintain a set speed in miles per hour without touching the gas pedal. But when this specific input circuit acts up, the computer shuts it down for safety. So, what are the symptoms you will notice? The most obvious one is that your cruise control simply will not work. You might press the set button and get nothing. Sometimes the cruise control light on your dash will stay illuminated no matter what you do with the switch. In rare cases, you might experience abnormal vehicle speeds if the system gets confused before shutting off. Now, let us talk about what causes this code. The most common culprit is a defective or dirty multifunction switch on your steering column. Over time, dirt, coffee spills, or skin oils can get inside the buttons, making them stick or fail internally. Another big cause is a wiring problem. The wires inside your steering column move every time you turn the wheel, which can lead to chafing and broken connections. Corroded connectors or even a damaged engine control module can also trigger this fault. So, how do you fix it? Your first step is a thorough visual inspection. Locate the cruise control switch and make sure the buttons move smoothly. If they feel sticky, do not spray cleaner directly into them. Instead, use a damp cloth with mild soap to carefully clean the crevices, or use compressed air to blow out the debris. If the switch is clean, you will need to access the wiring harness behind the steering column covers. Using a digital multimeter, you can test the switch for proper resistance and voltage. You are looking for a smooth change in electrical values when you press the buttons. If the switch tests fine, you need to check the wiring all the way to the computer for any breaks or corrosion. When should you go to a mechanic? If you have cleaned the switch and checked the basic wiring but the code will not clear, or if testing the system requires removing the steering wheel and airbag, it is time to call a professional. Airbags are dangerous to work around without the right training, and diagnosing a bad computer module requires advanced scan tools. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped, and drive safe.